Are you looking for some fun games or activities to do while camping? Well, stay tuned. So today I'm going to share with you 5 of our favorite games and activities that we like to do when we're up camping. So hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So if you get some value out of this video, give us a big thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to our channel. So let's get started. So all of these activities are just super easy, and you know what? The simplest of games can be the most fun. But first thing, go ahead and before you go, run to the Dollar Tree and get yourself some glow sticks. After all, who doesn't love glow sticks? I mean, it makes it so much fun, especially at night while camping. So get the 2 different size glow sticks. Get the smaller bracelet size and get the larger necklace size. This is going to work out for the perfect ring toss game. So the necklace size works perfect for the perfect ring. Then grab yourself a tent stake and take the smaller bracelet size, go ahead and crack it to activate that glow stuff and tape it to your tent stake. This is going to help your tent stake glow. And you've got yourself a fun game of ring toss. Okay, this next activity is so much fun for everyone. Just a little bit of pre-planning. Run to either the Dollar Tree or your Walmart and grab some acrylic paint, some paintbrushes, and then you can go on a fun hunt for the perfect rock and decorate it. I mean, this can actually take hours and hours depending on how creative your kids want to be. Another fun activity to do is a scavenger hunt. You know, you're out in nature, so what a better place to go hunt for some fun things. So what you would do is hand everybody a list and they can be off on their own fun little scavenger hunt. You know, fun things to check off your list like a leaf, a twig, maybe a deer or a wild animal, a stick, a spider, you know, just some fun things that they can be on their hunt for. Even a fun camping sign, and last but not least, have them maybe look for a piece of trash. What a better time for them to learn the concept of leave no trace. So sometimes it's just about making up your own game. You know, be creative. I saw this game on Amazon and it was $40. I believe it was called Can It. And what it was is basically a pop-up can with a Frisbee. And I'm thinking, that's a little bit steep. So I made my own. I just took my portable camping garbage can, got a Frisbee, and let me tell you, this is fun for hours and hours. And the last activity is this amazing cornhole game that I got off Amazon. In fact, I'll leave the link below if you're interested. You know, one of my family's favorite games is cornhole, but it's really hard to bring up camping because our cornhole boards are large and really hard to pack. So I was so surprised when I found this portable cornhole game, which works out just perfectly for camping. So I hope maybe I've given you some tips to keep kids of all ages busy and having fun while you're up camping. So thanks again for watching. It was great to have you here. Once again, if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. We'd also love to have you subscribe. So until next time, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. You can also have them look for snakes, spiders, stinging nettle, and poison ivy. Outtake, right? So I've taken my Coulon portable, didn't open up. It's so much fun if you can get it out of the container.